Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing about if function in Excel. Here I have data for a company's sales on 6 different continents. I'll be using if then, if with and if with or. On cell C4, I'll type in if and use the condition over here. If value is greater than 200,000, then meets target. So the logical test here would be value greater than 200,000 value if true is going to be meets target, and then if value is false, then I'll just leave it blank. So since this value is not greater than 200,000, this cell is blank, so I'll double click on the right bottom corner, and here the ones that is true has meets target. On column D, I'll type in equals if, and since this is using and for this condition or logical test, I'll first type in and then open bracket. So the logical test 1 would be if the value is greater than 100,000, and logical test 2 would be if the value is less than 300,000. And you can keep on adding logical test 3, 4, and so on. So I'll go ahead and close this, and if the value is true, it will be output meets target. And if the value is false, I'll leave it as blank. Since this value is greater than 100,000 and less than 300,000, it meets the target. And similarly, this value meets the target. The other ones I have blank since those don't meet the target or is not true. For using if with or, I'll type in if and then type in or, just like and function. And then first logical test would be if value is less than 200,000, and logical test 2 would be if value is greater than 400,000. I'll close or, and then comma, value if true is output needs a review, and if the condition don't meet, I'll leave it blank. And since this one is not less than 200,000 or greater than 400,000, this is blank. After I double click this, here are the ones that needs review. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can please go ahead and hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.